Are you tired of that annoying tinnitus in your ears? That cold metallic sound that doesn't go away and prevents you from sleeping well, makes you irritable, even depressed, and ruins your physical and mental health? That buzzing in your brain that gives you even a headache, makes you depressed, and prevents you from focusing on your day-to-day tasks? All this and more can be improved and even ended with this simple 10-second solution that will completely change your life. Follow me to the end of this video to find out how. Of course you have heard of Sonavelle, otherwise you wouldn't be in this review. I want to tell you everything you really need to know before you buy this product, even if you are still skeptical about it. Sonavelle really has come to revolutionize the market. It is simply a combination of 8 powerful ingredients that work synergistically to help support your brain and hearing health. Sonavelle was not created overnight. It took years, yes, years of study and research to get this product developed in a unique and safe way so that you can reap the real benefits. Sonavelle works well for everyone, men and women, 20 or 80 years old. And it is made without chemicals. So it is 100% natural and has no side effects. Did you know that to make Sonavelle, they scoured the world for certified producers to ensure that only the best ingredients were used to make this supplement? And because it is 100% natural, it takes about 6 months to produce a batch in this condition. They definitely don't sacrifice safety for profit. So you can believe me when I say that this product is safe. In research, Sonavelle actually discovered the root of the problem when it comes to tinnitus in the ear. You see, tinnitus travels in many areas of the brain, and extends far beyond the ear and far beyond the part of the brain that specializes in hearing. It is a disease of the brain network. This ringing that you are hearing is actually the ringing made by the lines of communication. It is an obstruction of these lines, and this causes the internal noise you hear to increase and diminish the quality of the sounds around you. This is exactly what scientists and engineers call the signal-to-noise ratio. Your jammed lines of communication are called synapses. And when your synapses are not working well, they cannot transmit information properly from one brain cell to another. This leads to a weakening of brain signals and an amplification of noise. So it is as if your communication network is broken and needs to be repaired as soon as possible. This is the part that Sonavelle acts on, through an ingredient that can calm the nervous system. It is a certain kind of hibiscus, one of 230 species in existence. This particular one is only found in the Kunlun Mountains in Tibet. And it is absolutely essential to combine it with hawthorn berries, garlic, and specific B vitamins to repair years of brain deterioration. This powerful combination acts like a super steroid of your brain, helping it to develop, nourishing your brain cells and creating the space they nestle in to repair themselves. It still features some of today's most potent and proven ingredients, including green tea, juniper berries, and vitamin C. Juniper berries are designed to cleanse your brain of toxins. Green tea multiplies your critical neural connections, and vitamin C protects your brain against tinnitus, early onset dementia, and other neurodegenerative diseases. There are cheap imitations of all these ingredients. 97% of available green tea extracts, herbs, berries, leaves and more have been tested, and that's because they found fake ingredients derived from chemicals and not from natural sources. In other words, that green tea extract you think you are buying at the health food store will not give you the same amazing results as the real green tea extract, which has been formulated for Sonavelle in a unique formula. They scoured the world for certified producers in order to ensure that only the best ingredients were used to make our supplement. In addition, Sonavelle is developed here in the US, certified by GMP and FDA. You can test Sonavelle for 60 days, with a 100% money-back guarantee with no questions asked. There is no risk at all. If you once and for all stop feeling anger, irritation, depression, want to have a much quieter mind, improved hearing, clearer thinking, improved memory and focus, do like over 50,000 people worldwide have done. Get the peace of mind you deserve. The link to the official and secure website, with free shipping for you who live in the US is just below in the description of this video. Hope I helped you and see you next time.